pure wizardry. You magicians are out, fuck the cheap tricks, real magic's what we're about, without a doubt. These lands get well travelled, known for good light, but the dark arts we dabble to baffle, leaving foes' brains in a haze. Obtained and greater wisdom through the slaying's what I crave. Spells we make and cast shadows with our scepters. We're living reckless, magic school but no righteous. Get this? It starts with F, ends in S. Frank Force, Steve Shock, wizard with intent to build. Got the foresight and the will, sorcery in the blood to possess powerful skills. Chills in the spines of the past that we cross, reappear as fast, feel our presence and the wind we're off. Hard to stop when the wizards are in motion, frolic emotion, feel the wrath of our potions. Pure wizardry, cryptic and twisted. How you figure that we don't be reppin' wizardry? Off the mystic. How you figure that we don't be reppin' pure wizardry? Cryptic and twisted. How you figure that we don't be reppin' wizardry? Off the mystic. How you figure that we don't be reppin'? Gather the essentials and just chuck them in the cauldron. Stir the mixture right as the fire keeps it boiling. A warning, sent through smoke in the distance. I saw it earlier in a dream full of visions. Glistens, the diamond around my neck opens. My throat conscious storms that the dry hills soaking. Spoken, the old tongue from the ancients. I learned it years ago through discipline and patience. Creations, through the book of our makings. Walls always crumble and skin starts to flaking. Taking only what we need from the planets. Using little force to inflict maximum damage. Vanish with the cloaks of disappearance. Take a battle with the villain to a larger clearance. A mere glance at the realm that we live in. Don't be fooled by the clothes, we're just two modern wizards. Pure wizardry.